Millions of fans wear their favorite team's jersey. But how are these pro jerseys actually made? We're going inside a modern factory to reveal all. Months before the World Cup, designers create jersey concepts. Every detail is planned to represent their country's identity. Once approved, digital files are sent to manufacturing. The journey starts with polyester fibers. Modern football jerseys are made from lightweight synthetic materials. Large industrial machines transform tiny fibers into fabric comfortable.
Next comes one of the most exciting stages. Huge printing machines apply colors directly onto the fabric. Computer-controlled to ensure every jersey looks exactly the same.
Automated machines slice the fabric, creating sleeves and collars. Skilled workers assemble the pieces. Each stitch must be perfect. Mistakes cannot be tolerated.
Now the jersey starts looking complete. Heat press machines attach team crests, sponsor logos, player names, and numbers. Special materials ensure the graphics remain durable throughout matches and washing. Every jersey undergoes strict quality checks. Workers inspect stitching, colors, and sizing. Only jerseys that meet professional standards are approved. Defective products are removed immediately. Every jersey goes through an incredible journey, traveling from digital design straight to the world's biggest stars, before reaching millions of players and passionate fans. Welcome to another episode of Factory Secrets.